वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा. Good evening. Today at the specious Sambati Amavasya. It's the Sambati Purnima. Sambati Purnima. It's a very auspicious joke of Shravan Mahina. In the month of Shravan, it is treated as the month of Lord Shiva. এই মাসের পূর্ণিমা এবং সোমবার এই যে একটা মহাযোগ, इट्स ए ग्रेट कनेक्शन. ये बहुत बढ़िया योग है और इस योग में आई एम नाउ अगेन कंटिन्यूइंग विथ माय previous episode. I am giving proceeding towards the finishing touch of puja. Puja, finally, I already discussed the puja's ingredients and types. Mainly the two parts of puja. Pujar mool duto bishoy আগে বলেছি. One is Manas Puja, another is Bajja Puja. And now the main part, Manas Puja, Bajja Puja, including all, finally we do get connected with the fire element. I shall today clarify the chemistry of puja and physics of puja. The chemistry behind this, the 5 elements we are getting connected with through our soul, through our heart, through our feelings, चिंतन से, अपने संयोग से और प्रयोग से. प्रयोग कैसा है? जल से शुरुआत करते हैं. We start with the water. The water element is the element which takes away to our soul, to our energy, towards the connectivity. It's easiest available element of nature, water. प्रकृति का 3 भाग जल है, जल और 1 भाग थल है. तो जल, water is the biggest element of nature out of 5. And next comes the final fire energy. That is also energy. That's the second part where we shall get connected with the fire in the Havan. And now the puja, in chemistry, there is the chemistry to get connected with. The chemistry is that get connected with the gods, the deity. Previously in the Vedic era, the deities they were the forms of nature. They didn't have any form, exact form, exposed form. And they were being treated as the natural forms of air, natural forms of rain, and natural forms of calamities, etc. And to appease those calamities, ये सारा जो डरने वाली जो प्रकृति का जो मुद्दा है, इन सबसे डर के कारण it was been started. This type of puja, this type of appeasement is nothing but that type to appease those. That type of rituals has been innovated by the then rishis, the then saints, and they had got the result instantly. तरह सही समय फल पे ही तो उनको हाथों हाथ ये फल मिलता था और मुक्ति भी मिलता था. At the time of the Vedic era, there was no written hymns. The hymns was been created by the wise and the knowledgeable person, knowledgeable saints. সেই সব জ্ঞানী ঋষি মুনি তাদের দ্বারা সেই মন্ত্রগুলো তৈরি হয়েছিল, through which through the hymns, through the vibrations, through the acoustic science, they created that chemistry, and they utilized the 5 elements of this nature, and mainly started with the waters, and then with the bhumi, the earth, and then it comes to the second part. The first part was conclusive. It was within the puja and the ritualistic approach of deities, which came in the Puranic era as formation. The natural energy, the natural figure was been emancipated It has been like Rudra became Shiva, and Vishnu came there as the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. We found many such formations, and then comes the other Shakti Devis and all, which was only in hymns. Now they are being written, and Puranas, Veda after Vedas, Puranas came, Vedanta Purana, and the scriptures comes, and through that scripture we entered into the second part. The previous part of Vedic era, it was the fire energy connecting of fire energy was very much prevalent in Vedic era. वैदिक युगे ये होमेर व्यापारटा, ये हवन की जो बात है ना, ये वैदिक युग में भी बहुत बहुत पॉपुलर था, बहुत जनप्रिय था. और उस हवन के साथ साथ ऋषियों ने, मुनियों ने इतना चमत्कार, they can create miracles within time, and afterwards this type of havan was been included in Puranic pujas and ritual systems also. ये जोड़ा गया है. और पूजा की जो पहली भाव जो है वो है रसायन. रस शास्त्र से हम पंचमकार की पंच रूप की जो प्रयोग करते हैं, पंच शुद्धि, पंच उपचार, पंच सामग्री, पंच देवता. ये पंच देवता की जो शुरुआत में जो आते हैं, गणेश आते हैं, शिव, उसका बाद सूर्य आते हैं. सूर्य तो वैसे ही रह गया. The Surya, I mean the energy, the God energy of Surya, it become prevalent, it became continued in the Puranic era also. পৌরাণিক যুগেও সূর্য এসছে এবং সূর্য এখনো আছেন. সূর্যকে আমাদের আদিদেব বলা হয়. সূর্যার্ঘ্য দেওয়াটা, the chemistry, it's a part of the chemistry to offer the Suryargha. And then the Shiva is there, and the Shakti had been implanted. Ultimately, energy, goddess energy is the meaning of goddess energy. We feel energy as a feminine gender, and energy, that means finally the dynamic energy, that is the goddess Durga or goddess Kali. It has been taken place into our rituals and our puja. তো এই পূজা এবং যে রিচুয়ালস, এর মধ্যে সেকেন্ড পার্ট, দিস সেকেন্ড পার্ট ইজ the fire connectivity. It becomes fire. अग्नि যখন প্রজ্বলিত হচ্ছে, অগ্নিং প্রজ্বলিতং বন্দে জাতবেদম হুতাসনম সুবর্ণবর্ণমমলম সমৃদ্ধো বিশ্বতো মুখম. বিশ্বের মুখ is the mouth of the universe, and it is thought that the universal gods, they are still existing, and they can be fortified with the habi. When in enlightened अग्नि, प्रज्वलित अग्नि में जब ये हवन की सामग्री दिया जाता है, हबी डाला जाता है, then the gods become satisfied and they fulfill the needs and requirements of the bhaktas, of the clients, of the jajmans. And we offer those for the sake of our good future, our good prospect, and all these things. We are getting till today result oriented. एखनो अभी भी हम लोग जो हवन करते हैं, पूजा करते हैं, पूजा के बाद जो हवन करते हैं, जो लेके, जो मनसा लेके, whichever expectation we offer, we get it fulfilled. That's the way. That's the miracle. It's not miracle, it's science. And behind the science there is the chemistry and physics of water, fire, earth, ether, water, everything. And this have to be learned properly from a potential guru, and then only you will be able to apply this in your performances, and you will get result oriented. Obviously result oriented, resulting shall come. And this is my opinion, that learn it, do it, get positive, be positive, you must win. Jai Mata Ki.